Hello and welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm going to be making the Spam Tater Tot Casserole from the Spam Cookbook. And the ingredients I'll be using are 1 can of the bacon Spam, 3 cups of sharp cheddar cheese, 1 small onion that's been diced, 1 24-ounce package of tater tots, 12 eggs that have been lightly beaten, 1 tablespoon of butter, and then for the seasonings I have 1 teaspoon of onion powder, paprika, and salt, and then about a half a teaspoon of black pepper, though you can adjust that to your taste level. These are all the ingredients, so let me go ahead and get moved over to the stove and I'll start bringing our casserole together. Here at the stove, I've started melting the 1 tablespoon of butter, and I'm going to add in the onions and allow these to saute for about 3 to 5 minutes or until they turn translucent. Once the onions are softened up, they can be removed back into a bowl and set to the side until I'm ready for them again. In the same pan that I cooked the onions in, I've gone ahead and added in the Spam, and I'm just going to allow this to cook for about 3 to 5 minutes or until the edges start to crisp up. The Spam has browned up, so I've turned the heat off, and now I'm just removing it from the pan, and I'll set this over to the side. In a large mixing bowl, I'll add in the 12 beaten eggs, the 3 cups of cheese, the onion powder, paprika, salt, and pepper. Once those have been stirred together, I'll add in the onion, the Spam, and the tater tots. Now that everything has been coated in the egg mixture, it gets transferred into a 3-quart casserole dish that's been lightly sprayed with cooking spray. This is now ready to be transferred into a 350-degree oven where it'll bake for about 45 to 50 minutes or until it's cooked all the way through, and then the last little bit there I'll probably put it up underneath a broiler and allow the top to brown. I did end up popping it underneath the broiler on low setting for about 3 minutes just to brown that top up, but I have to say this thing smells absolutely incredible and I cannot wait to dive in. I did let it sit up on the counter for about 10 minutes just to let it kind of cool down a little bit. It is ooey and gooey and cheesy inside. It looks as good as it smells, honestly. This is absolutely incredible. The flavors going on in here all mixed together really well. I do get little hits of bacon from the Spam. The potatoes have kind of broken up where they were sitting down into the egg mixture, forming like almost a hash brown consistency. But then you've got all that ooey gooey cheese that kind of helps hold it together. Overall, this is a fabulous dish and something I think I will be making again. But that is going to be it for me for the day. If you guys have enjoyed this video, leave me a comment down below. If you tried this recipe out, let me know how it turned out for you. And as always, thank you all so very much for joining me today. I've been Walker. I hope you guys have enjoyed, and I hope I'll see you in the next one.